Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best pool cleaning tools on the market, the Skimmie Small Pool Skimmer Net. If you're a pool owner looking to make your cleaning routine easier, this might just be the solution you've been waiting for. The Skimmie is more than just a skimmer net. It's designed to revolutionize how you maintain your pool. With its patented features and durable build, it promises to make pool cleaning effortless and efficient. Let's talk about what sets the Skimmie apart. Firstly, it features a lightweight anodized aluminum pole with a stainless steel hook, allowing you to easily lift debris and even heavier objects without bending or straining. The pole is not only sturdy but also extends to 3 sections, giving you the reach you need for in-ground pools, spas, and hot tubs. Now, let's see it in action. The Skimmie's fine mesh net is perfect for trapping all sorts of debris, from leaves to insects, ensuring your pool stays clean and inviting. And here's the best part, its hands-free design. You can easily remove the skimmer basket lid and empty it without getting your hands wet, thanks to the stainless steel hook. Plus, its universal handle and lightweight construction make it a breeze to maneuver, whether you're cleaning the surface or reaching into the skimmer well. Let's not forget about the Skimmie dip. This handy attachment allows you to take accurate water samples effortlessly, ensuring your pool's chemical balance is always spot on. So, is the Skimmie worth it? Absolutely. Whether you have an in-ground or above-ground pool, this tool streamlines the cleaning process, making it less of a chore and more of a breeze. That wraps up our review of the Skimmie Small Pool Skimmer Net. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tools. Until next time, happy swimming!